Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Hi and welcome to my channel. This is the first time I've unpacked the box already. This is the instructions for the STYLPro packets, what has the liquid in. Right, I'm going to show you the brush that is all mucky and horrible. That's the STYLPro is going to be attached to my bristles. Look how dirty and grimy it is. Here is the mechanism, the machine for the brush. There's the top and there's the pods, different sizes. There's a booklet. There's pictures on. I'm dyslexic and dyspraxic, so I like to use the pictures because I can't read and I recognize to do it from there. Here's the sachet of the liquid for foundation. There's a mechanism. Once again, there is an on and off switch. There's the pods again. Right, you put that on. There's different sizes of the pods. The mucky brush. There is again on and off switch, showing you how to, when it's on, how it works. Here's the cleaning process. You dip it in once or twice, 3 times, whichever you want. And there it is, swishing around, up and down motions. Oops, I've done a mistake. You have to hold your product, your machine, so it doesn't go everywhere. Look at it swishing around, taking all that dirt off. Up and down, up and down. Now, when you want to dry it, you don't have to dip it in. You just, it goes beyond the water, switch it on, and whatever's left, you fan it around, like you can see. Now it's drying off. I'm drying it off. Right, I switched it off. Like magic, look how it cleaned it. Amazing, isn't it? Look inside, look at the bristles. Very clean, wow. Right, here's the hand wash. You can use it antibacterial one. You can use one or 2 drops of it. It's antibacterial wash, hand wash. And this is for powder. Little bit, just a little bit of water. So if you want, you can put whatever you want, do as you wish. There's the powder, bronze powder. Right, slipping it on again. It's very easy. Now I'm gonna dip it. You can hold the container if you want. It's up to you. Still dipping it in. So the bristles can soak up the water. Swishing around, swish, swish, swish. Right. Up and down motions. In and out, in and out. Do it how many times you want. Now I'm drying it off. Clean and soft. Amazing. Please, if you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to get my latest videos.